Now, guys, welcome back to these videos. And well, now we need to know how to read these things, okay? Because they can be kind of confusing most of the time, and we need to know what they do. So, first of all, I'm gonna start with this one to know what it does, okay? So remember, let's remember the elements. This is the counter right over here, and this range function, it just creates a set of numbers that go from this initial point to this final point. Okay, we should remember and know that if there is no first element, well, there can be just one element, and if it starts with it has just one element, it just starts from 0, right? So this guy over here is gonna go from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way until 9. Okay, so what do you expect to have here? If you give it a guess, probably you're guessing that I'm just printing the counter in a range that goes from 0 to 10. So pretty much what I'm gonna print, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so pretty much that's everything that this little for is gonna do. Okay, just for you to know what's happening in this kind of structures.